Nature. A still moment in nature. Take a moment, put the worries behind you. Take in the beauty that's around you. Let it relax your mind, for that is what nature shall do. Watch the golden glow of the morning sun, or if you're not an early bird, become a night owl and watch the evening sun perform a beautiful sunset painted across the sky. Embrace the peaceful aura of what nature is. Savour the soft caress and the gentle moving breeze. Listen to its wonderful tune as the breeze goes through the trees. The tree branches sway left and right like dancing arms. Enjoy the lovely scene of a floating butterfly, gracefully flying from one flower to the next, with not a care in the world. Look at the evening sky and look at the formation of the clouds, if there are any, and open your mind to how wonderful nature is and the amazing world that we live in. The different shapes and colours that bring all sorts of things to mind. The sun brings warmth, and from warmth it makes us feel much better within. For nature brings many still moments. It is like a reset, a natural reset, to bring calm within. So enjoy nature for when you're out and about in it, for it brings many wonders to your